Do you ever feel like this is playing God?
It is. There's a huge amount of hubris in this idea of saying, well, oh, we've caused a problem, let's fix the problem, and I know how to do this. We're going to do this, and we know exactly what's going to happen to the whole planet. Yes, it has a lot of that. It's actually quite unsettling, and quite frankly makes me quite anxious.
If climate change is the biggest problem in the world, then at least some of the smartest people on the planet are trying to deal with it. In the hallowed halls of Harvard University, researchers are looking at just how practical and dangerous geoengineering might be.
They fly up into the stratosphere high above us.
The whiteboard theory is that tons of tiny sulfur particles delivered by specially modified planes would lower the Earth's temperature.
Will result in cooling the planet.
It's what happened naturally in 1991 after the Philippines' Mount Pinatubo volcano erupted.
And this gas then reacts in the stratosphere with oxidants and turns into sulfuric acid. For the few years after Mount Pinatubo, the temperature was noticeably lowered and it cooled down the planet. That was one effect that you got from this.
By what degree?
It was, it's probably in the range of about 0.5 degree Celsius.
Trouble is, a quick fix like that could have nasty side effects.
And what was also apparent after Mount Pinatubo and other volcanic eruptions is that these particles, in the end, reduce the amount of ozone in the stratosphere. So, we've been trying to do a lot to actually fix the ozone layer. And here you now have the idea of introducing something that could destroy it again. I very often compare stratospheric geoengineering to painkillers. This does not fix the problem, right? It does nothing about CO2 to first order. We're just reducing symptoms, and then human nature can kick in and say, well, it's hard to deal with changing the energy infrastructure, which is very true. It's a huge problem. So we're not there yet, let's wait with that. But what we can do is provide as many facts as possible that can inform us about the risks, that can find ways that perhaps have less risks. But in the end, any decision will always have to be based on imperfect knowledge.
Do you ever feel like this is playing God?
It is. There's a huge amount of hubris in this idea of saying, well, oh, we've caused a problem, let's fix the problem, and I know how to do this. We're going to do this, and we know exactly what's going to happen to the whole planet. Yes, it has a lot of that. It's actually quite unsettling, and quite frankly makes me quite anxious.
Hola, los pilotos.
Sí, aquí están.
Hola. Do you speak English too?
No.
No?
Just give. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. Just a question to you. Hello.
Hi.
Do you speak English?
Sure. What do you need?
Okay. Just a question. Do you know what is a chemtrail?
The what?
A chemtrail.
I do know what a chemtrail is.
Yeah. And is it true?
Well, there's a big debate.
Yeah.
Are you filming me?
Maybe. Okay. No.
I don't want to go on record there.
Okay. No, but what is your personal opinion of it?
I think there's part of truth.
Part of truth. Yeah. Yeah, we should investigate this, because when it's true, imagine so many people, they suffer of this. Okay.
Yeah, it's a necessary evil, as you could say.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Have a good day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Sí, por favor.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver, all over Canada, all over the States, and all over the world. People still refuse to accept it.
So I'm here today, sunny, 15 degrees, and 100% chance of chemtrails. You'll almost never see it so obvious, but if you can see that, there are literally chemtrails coming from all directions. 1, 2, 3. It goes all the way across there. Look at that. Look at the one next to it. They all converge. If you look even further down, you can see. So climate change is real, folks. And the reason it's real is because we got fucking UN and whoever these fucking jackasses are throwing chemicals on us all fucking day long. It's no wonder we have climate change. I'm sure cow farts and SUVs might contribute a little bit. Nothing compared to this shit. Nothing compared to this. Look at these fucking chemtrails. I don't care how stupid you are. These are chemicals being thrown on us by the fucking government. You don't have to be smart to be able to see this.